Hi, good morning or good evening, everyone. Welcome to Rise and Shine. So, in this session, which we are going to discuss that the workshop which we are going to conduct that's on the Chat GPT. So, how do we use this Chat GPT, especially if you are a software engineer? So, we are going to discuss that's important tips and tricks. So, how do we use it? So, with this Chat GPT to become that the best programmer in the current project. Yeah, if you are belong to the working this in the project, yes, one of the key person playing that. Yes, how you can show that's about your performance or how you can improve about your performance the while doing that. Yes, or while working this on the coding side or the as project operations or the workflows while working. Or if you are the fresher, or if you would like to plan to thus learn some new technologies or new skill set, then how do we use the chat GPT? Or you are looking just to step into that IT and learning others new skills from the different domains. So non-IT to that's coming to that's planning to that IT. Yes, how to use this chat GPT effectively to learn those new skills? Or if you are I mean, if you are having this the fear of this writing the code, yes, are you being this afraid of the writing the code? Then if you say this answer yes, then how do we use this chat GPT to overcome those the problems which we have that? Yeah, how to take the help of the chat GPT? Or if you are already the working this in the infra and you are that I mean you are tried to perform this writing the documentation for about your code. Yeah, so that's like the best programmer, what is the best approaches is the before writing the code, the first the write the comments. Yeah, what you are planning to implement it is first define that, then go ahead and writing the code. So that's writing that the four lines maybe that's describing about that it is required the more than that. Yeah, so how you can save about your time while writing the documentation for about your code using ChatGPT or taking the help from the ChatGPT. Or if you are a programmer, but you would like to optimize about your programming skills with three times better than the current, that means saving about some time. Now we can do this, we can implement it with, yes, taking the help from the Google. But yes, how the AI tools are helping that, especially ChatGPT. So that's we are going to look into that. Yeah, if you are belong to this any one of this point, then this workshop is for you. Yes, you are in the right place. But what we are going to look into that's in here, I mean here in this workshop with the power of the ChatGPT, how do we streamline the workflows, especially the programmatical point of view? We are going to talk at that. Yes, if you have the programmer, that could be web developer or backend developer, front end developer, or DevOps engineer who is writing the automation scripts. Yeah, if you are going to use that the programming skills, or if you would like to plan to learn this the programming skills, yes, what are the like better approaches that we use it, and how do you reduce the errors while writing the code, and how to get it better insights on improving about your code. Yes, so how do we use this the chat gpt to have it all these kind of the solutions? Yeah, we are going to discuss the strategies that's going to help to improve the speed up about your development workflow using one of the AI tool. that is ChatGPT. But what we are going to look into that? Yeah, if you are going to join in this workshop, so we are going to understand that what exactly the ChatGPT, and as well as the secrets that's required for the software or IT engineers on the whenever we are writing the program. So on the basis of this requirement, or if you are learning that, yes, what are the things that you need to look into that while learning to handle that's the complete workflows. If you are the software engineer, yes, those secrets we are going to talk it, and as well as 10 important problems, and for that those problems, the solutions, that we are going to practically see that with one by one in this workshop. Yeah, while doing that, those problem, I mean, the solutions, we are going to talk it about that. So how do we use the chat GPT, the while writing the code or optimization of that or debugging techniques. So if you have those any errors, how do we take the help of the chat GPT? So how to work the less and get that the more results with the chat GPT. That is the main objective of this one. Yeah, how to start leveraging AI tools to save more than 3 hours per day about your work. So how the AI is going to helping that? Yes, that's we are going to talk in that, and you will learn how you can achieve about your IT career objectives. Yes, whatever you are having the plans to step into that IT or to having the better career in this IT. Yes, how do we use it? These AI tools. So we are not only going to give that the software, the programming related techniques only, but to do it in the documentation. That is, if you're going to use it Excel sheets, especially data, the management point of view. Yeah, Excel techniques and as well as PowerPoint techniques, Word document techniques. Those are also we are going to cover that, but not in the workshop. Yes, we will share it about some additional videos which you can take, which you can review on the base of about your time. But in this workshop, mainly that's on the programming side. But we will share it about, yes, this course you will be having that the 1 year, the time duration, the way you can access that. And in this 1 year, what are like updates which are coming that we try to share it in the course itself. Yeah, so we'll provide that the important chat GPT prompts. Yeah, so there are the main points that you are going to have it in this workshop, and the duration that is 3 hours. So on the base of this, the time maybe that's half an hour, 3.5 hours it is required, and we are going to charge it only the 499, and you are going to have the 1 year course, 1 year time duration to access this, and yes, what are the like new techniques which are coming that will keep on updating to you. Yeah, if you need that or if you'd like to join in this workshop, yes, for the date and time point of view, yes, please contact Ryzen Technologies on this given number. Yeah, I hope so you enjoyed this session, understanding about that what is the objective of this workshop. And yes, if you are belong to this in one of that the area, that is, yes, if you are that software engineer, and if you'd like to know all these tips and techniques, yes, let's see in the session. Yeah, thank you. That's all from this session.